guys, I just found this camcorder somewhere, and I could actually record with it. This is actually very cool. This is actually pretty cool. Look. W T. What happened to the focus? W T. I need to focus this. This thing is awesome. This thing is so cool. This is actually cooler than a cell phone. See, look. Ooh ah, ooh ah, ooh ah. You could actually see the time, the date, how long you've been recording. You could see that on a phone. W T. This is so awesome. Look, you got all my hats. No. I have a fedora. I'm in the mafia. Yeah, mafia. Mafia is the only place for me, boy. Enough round again. I'm very lucky to have found this thing. Found it buried under a stack of newspapers. And hey Bree, it's a camcorder. And
I'm wearing the glove backwards.
And there's an empty tape. There's no label on the sticker, so this is called for empty. Me? Yes, I am recording you.
Are you gonna post it on YouTube?
Yes, I am.
Oh, okay, cool. I'm looking for something else. Okay, so
yeah.
Is this how you wear gloves?
Okay. Well, goodbye, world.
Okay.